Welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa, and if you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have a 9-year-old, almost a 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 1-year-old. Here on my channel, I share our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around and join us. But in today's video, I'm going to be tackling my almost 7-year-old's closet. It has been a while since I've got in here and decluttered. They are responsible to put their laundry away, so it gets messy. And it definitely needed to be decluttered. A lot of the clothes in here do not fit him anymore. I will be definitely putting away a lot of the clothes for my youngest little guy, who is also a boy. I have saved our clothes over the years and passed them down, and it has definitely saved us a lot. I'll be getting rid of a few pieces, but definitely saving a lot as well. But this is also a collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. I will have her channel linked down below, along with the playlist, because this is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. A bunch of content creators get together every Tuesday to bring you cleaning motivation and help you tackle those messes around your home, to get you started on one small project to hopefully spark the motivation to get to the next task. And do what you can when you have a moment. So I will have links to Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist down below. But let's get right into today's video. So this is everything I pulled out of the closet to either keep for my younger son or declutter. So it is a lot, but there is a bunch of sizes here. We have not been through his closet in a while. He is turning 7, and there was some 4T in here, some 5T, some 6. He still is wearing some of his size 6 stuff because even some of the 5T is like on the bigger end and it still fits him. But I want to go ahead and keep all of this for my younger son. We go through clothes a lot, and I like to have a few extras for like when we go camping and we go on some of our trips, because we can't do laundry on a lot of those trips, so we like to bring extra. So this is all going to be stored for my younger. It's 4T and 5T and a few 6Ts that are on the smaller end, and all of this here is going to be decluttered. So none of my boys have ever really liked jeans. If my youngest likes jeans, we can buy him new jeans, but I'm going to get rid of these. A few t-shirts that my 7-year-old has never worn, and that I just don't feel like we will use with the next one. And a ton of jeans that there's some jean shorts in here. They've just never worn these, and we've kept them thinking the next kid will wear them, but they don't. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of them, and if we need jeans, we can go ahead and get them again from the thrift store or whatever. And then this shirt I'm going to put into my daughter's clothes. My son is going to be sad, but it is getting too small for him. And I'm going to pass this one down to my daughter, and she will be starting kindergarten, not this fall, but the following fall. This was kind of like all of the kids' kindergarten shirt, and it's like lasted so long. Actually, I think we got this like maybe like preschool age for my oldest, and it has just lasted, so it keeps getting passed down, and it's such a fun shirt. So putting away for my youngest, decluttering, and then passing on to my daughter for now. So here is my son's closet now, all decluttered. He has pajamas down below, and you saw how full that bin was. I feel like there's some more pajamas in the laundry. I just went ahead and did all of the boys' laundry and took it all out of the clean clothes. I'm organizing it, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a part 2 of my oldest, who's 9, and organize his closet and figure out what pieces they need, because there's definitely some things they do need. The pants are down below, and they are both in between sizes. My oldest can fit like size 10, 12, but he can also still fit the 7, 8s, even though he's 9. And then my younger boy, who is 7, almost 7, he can fit the 7, 8s, but can still fit some size 6 pants. It's hard when they're in between clothes size, and they're so close in age, like 2 years, so they're in that stage where they're kind of overlapping. And then these are the t-shirts that I've kept. There might be a few more in the wash, but like I said, we go on a few camping trips and different trips, and I like to have extra to pack because we can't always do laundry. And yeah, and then we have one sweater at the top there. I believe he has a few more sweaters, but we recently decluttered some sweaters he doesn't want, so maybe I need to go ahead and pick up some sweaters too. I definitely want to pick up a few more pants for my oldest at least, and maybe a sweater or two for this guy. And the reason why it was so messy at the beginning as well is, one, I hadn't been in here for a while, but they do go ahead and put their clothes away themselves. They know where they go, but if it gets a little bit messy, I don't mind. And when they're going in here to get clothes out, they make it messy, but it works for them, and I don't need to deal with it. It's in there, it's their storage, it's their mess, and every once in a while, I come in here and reorganize it, refresh it, declutter it, and get it going. So we have pants and t-shirts, and then shorts, and then the underwear, and then sweaters, and then pajamas at the bottom. And then we have some extra room for some other things. I might go ahead and reconfigure this. It's just nice to have like all of the different spots for everything. but we will see. And then this is easier for him to like find what he needs. But yeah, it looks a whole lot better and everything in here fits him. So that is awesome. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you are not already, we would love to have you join us here. And definitely don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist link down below. And we will see you in the next one.